The US stock market loses $4 trillion in value as the president looks set to press ahead with tariffs. It's Tuesday, 11th March, and here's what you need to know. Well, investors look like they've been well and truly spooked by President Trump's trade policies. The stock market reaction was certainly momentous as investors' worries over an economic downturn began to dominate. The S&P was down 2.7% and the Nasdaq slid 4%, its steepest decline since September 2022. Our number of the day is $130 billion. That's how much was knocked off the value of Tesla on Monday. Its share price fell 15% to stand at just over $222. That's less than half of what it was just in mid-December at its last peak. The firm's CEO, Elon Musk, admitted that he's running his businesses with great difficulty, as well as working for the Trump administration. Now, did you see that one of the president's key advisors has pushed back against talk of a recession? Kevin Hassett, he's the head of the National Economic Council, and in an interview with CNBC, he said there were many reasons to be optimistic about the world's largest economy. He said that the tariff uncertainty could be resolved as early as April and that tax cuts would actually boost the economy. Well, our chart of the day is Delta Airlines. Its share price fell 14% on Monday. Why? Well, it slashed its first quarter profit in half. Its CEO, Ed Bastian, well, he blamed the uncertainty over the economy as the reason behind the slump. Well, after last week's non-farm payrolls came in slightly below expectations for February, the focus today will be on the Jobs Opening and Labour Turnover Survey, or JOLTS report. A Reuters poll suggests a slight uptick in labour demand with 7.63 million job openings. And our stock of the day is Coles. The retailer has fourth quarter results out later. Now, analysts don't expect very much. Revenues are expected to have fallen. Why? Well, the US department store has really struggled in a challenging consumer environment, and the highly competitive holiday season hasn't really helped. Now, investors will also want to know what the new CEO, Ashley Buchanan, has to say about strategy going forward. And that's what you need to know before the opening bell.